want you to look at something here. See these filters? They look clean, right? More or less. But I want you to listen to the sound when I put this one back. It's clogged. Here, you take that. Film that. Hear that sucking sound? So these filters inside here are clogged. It's making the fan and the PCU work harder than it should. So this will need a full initial cleanup. The PCU that's in the attic, that's out there, it's going to need filter replacement, brine exhaust service.
We'll take care of it.